Hey. So, you ever feel like your code is a ticking time bomb and you're the only ones with wire cutters? I get it. Hey, I'm Vinod. I'm a pre-sales architect who spends most of the time with the engineering team, helping them avoid the late night security fire drills. So, I've got some exciting news today. SonarQube just dropped a powerful new advanced security release that's going to make your life much more easier. It's a game changer in security domain. So, if you're tired of juggling static code analysis tools, worrying about hidden security flaws, or constantly duct taping your CI/CD pipeline together, you will want to stick around. So, what's new in SonarQube? SonarQube already helps you identify bugs and vulnerabilities and code smells before they hit the production. With this new release, you get advanced SAST and software composition analysis, also called as SCA. That means deeper detection of injection flaws, your unsafe deserialization, and even vulnerable code libraries right into your dev workflow. So while the existing SonarQube capabilities protects your first-party code and AI-generated code, with this new advanced security release, it extends your protection to include third-party open source libraries. That means you get a comprehensive coverage of your modern code bases. So let me highlight some few key features of SCA. Now you have license detection, vulnerability identification, and also SBOM export feature, which is definitely needed for your complaints team. Trust me, for a lot of things. And also you have advanced SAST. So while SonarQube has long offered SAST and taint analysis for your first-party code, this advanced SAST now extends this analysis to identify the interactions between first-party and third-party code coverage, uncovering deeper and more complex vulnerability detection. So, what are the key features of advanced SAST? Now you have SQL injection, command injection, XXX, also called as cross-site scripting, along with hard-coded credentials. All this integrated into your pipeline. So, no extra tools, no switching context, just clean code from the start. So today I have some demo to showcase these features. I'm really excited about this. So without any further delay, let's quickly jump to the demo. Let me switch my screens. So I have my SonarQube server instance self-hosted with the enterprise version running into it, hosted on AWS Cloud. So here are some of the projects that I've tested with different languages, but today I'm going to demo Maven repository and I'm going to show you some features. So quickly switching to my VS Code. So I have a Docker container stood up in my Mac instance. Obviously, I don't want to expose my system to vulnerable packages. So I have a container where I've installed Maven and other tools required to run a Maven application. And let me show you some files here. So I have some pom.xml defined, settings.xml, also sonar project.properties, which will have the URL and token for my SonarQube instance. I also have SonarQube Scanner CLI installed because that's a powerful tool that will go through your code base and expose the result to the SonarQube dashboard. So I'm going to run the scanner now. I've already set up everything. The application has been installed, so I don't want to waste any time and just run the scanner. So the moment the scanner command is run, you might notice there is a bootstrapper and a scanner engine that goes through your code, and it also detects all the vulnerabilities, code smells, bugs, along with the new features of advanced SAST and software composition analysis, and it's going to export the result to my SonarQube dashboard, which is going to complete in any time soon. So here you go. So the analysis is successful and the results have been uploaded to the dashboard. So quickly switching to the dashboard. So let me give you a refresh and let's see. Okay, there you go. The project is listed here. Obviously, the quality gate has failed because the code has a lot of vulnerable packages. So as you notice, it's a nice dashboard. But you might have seen this before, but with the new release, now you have two new tabs that got introduced. One is dependencies risk tab, which will list all your risk in your dependencies. Right now, if you're seeing like there are 6 risks in the 134 dependencies for your Maven project, and they have given some nice filters on vulnerabilities and also prohibited license that you should not be using. Let's click at one of the vulnerabilities and see how it is listed. So now you get risk type, whether it's vulnerability or code smells or any bugs, along with the risk severity and when it was first detected. So SonarQube not only gives the description of the risk, but it can also provide you how you can fix it, right? With the specific vulnerability, you have a complete fix with the advanced version, and also there is some alternative fields given. Okay, where is this severity coming from? So this severity is decided based on the NIST database, which is also called National Vulnerability Database. So it'll help identify and classify the risk severity wise. So they also give you a chance of future exploitation, which is again a cool feature on how this will affect your code base in future. So that's about the vulnerability. And again, with the prohibited licenses, you get the same thing along with the risk severity and how you can fix the package version along with the compliance license. So you have filters for high, medium, low info as well, which is definitely needed. The risk severity not only depends on the CVSs or CVE database, but also on some of the factors which are listed below. For example, you have dependency scope. So what are production dependencies? So these are dependencies that are required for an application to function properly during runtime or production deployment, or should I call it as runtime dependencies. So this is obviously considered high priority. Next, you also have development, which is again low priority, but these are required only during development and testing. They are not included in the final production build. So obviously you should also focus on these things. On next, you also have dependencies type. So what are direct dependencies? So these are dependencies explicitly declared in your project configuration by you. So you are under direct control. For example, pom.xml or requirements.txt. So these are directly defined by you. So these are obviously considered critical. But there is also a thing called transitive dependencies. So these are dependencies that your direct dependencies rely upon. They are not declared explicitly, but are brought into your project indirectly. So what is the importance of this? They can introduce vulnerabilities, outdated libraries without you even noticing, right? So managing transitive dependencies is critical to avoid hidden security issues. So you have a package manager type, and this gives you a clear view of all the vulnerabilities and prohibited licenses in your code base. So moving to dependencies tab, this will give you a entire view of what are the types of dependencies along with the metadata and also with the licensing information, which will help you fix the version in future. So again, you also have a feature to export your SBOM, which is also called software bill of materials. This will export your SBOM for all your dependencies in different format. So obviously your compliance team will be needing it for other auditing purposes. So that's about these features. Again, you get these same type of filters. So yeah, it's really a game changer, and again it gives me a lot of excitement with this new release. So this is a kind of visibility you needed in your release cycles to run smooth and keeps your teams off pager duty at 2 a.m. right? So let's be honest, getting all these features and with the setup can feel like another full-time job. So that's where we come in. At iTmethods, where I'm working as a pre-sales architect, we make it easy to get started with SonarQube. Now we offer fully hosted, managed instance, including your advanced security features, so that you can spend time on testing and building better software instead of focusing on configuring a lot of headaches, right? So, want to try it out? Reach out to us. We will set up a POC environment for you, a 14-day trial environment, which will involve this new security features, advanced security features, I should say, and we will take care of everything. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to level up your code security, we are always here to help. Reach out to us with the link given below. Thank you.